Today is the YouTubers Weekly Nail Art Stamping Collab, and hosting this one is me. The theme is Snowflakes. Links are in the description box below. You're looking at everyone's awesome snowflake manis. Mine will be the last one, and then I'll show you how I created it. For this video, I'm using a matte velvet polish from Zoya called Savita. This is super old, from a really old collection. They no longer carry it. However, I was able to pick it up off of eBay. I have some base coat on my nails, and I am just going to put some Scotch tape. I'm going to do kind of like a negative look on two of my nails. So I'm just going to push that down. And then all my other nails will just have Savita on them all over. So this is a really nice dark purple. They do still have a purple called Iris available, but this one was like a bluish dark purple, and this is really what I wanted for this mani. I also wanted a matte velvet finish, so I decided to use this one today. Oh, and it peeled up the base coat. Okay, so I'm going to use a little vinyl strip here. Yeah, I'm going to leave that. That's the second time it's come up. So we're just going to leave it. Hopefully when I polish over it with the top coat, we won't have any problems seeing it. I'm adding 2 coats of the purple. And right now I'm just going to say that I did get this idea from Paulina's Passions, and I will link the video in the description box below. I am using different colors, but I really liked the idea, so I really wanted to do it too. And I think I'm going to try doing, like, you know, a recreation once a month or something like that. I've been wanting to do that for like a long time, like over a year, and it's just never happened. So I guess this will be my first. Hopefully it won't be the last. And I am going to, hopefully this is gonna, it didn't happen, shoot. All right. You know that thing with the tape is way harder than it looks. So I'm going to take that off and redo it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the brush method, and I'm just going to place my small brush there and just kind of roll my finger, and that will be good enough. Now I'll just paint the tip. Okay, I'll wait for that to dry. Now I'm going to put a fast dry top coat over this nail, kind of smooth it, blend it all in, just like I did with the ring finger there. I'm going to use the What's Up Nails stamping plate right here with the snowflakes on it. And I'm going to use Brave's Diva Shut Out white stamping polish. I'm going to use this snowflake right here. Just going to get rid of all this stuff around the edges. Okay. And I'm going to line it up right here on the line. Oh, I do like how that turned out. And I'm going to do the other accent nail. Not bad for as many times it took me to get the accent nails right. I have a couple little rhinestones I'm going to add, but not right now because I'm actually going to mattify this. But first I'm going to add the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat to keep the snowflakes from smudging. And then when this is dry, I can put on the matte or the satin matte velvet top coat. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the matte velvet top coat. And then I'm going to add a crystal in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing for this fingernail. You can also put glue where you want to add your gems. There we go. Well, for all the trouble that it was getting those accent nails right, I really like how it eventually turned out. I hope you like it too. Hope you don't mind that it's a recreation of somebody else's design. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.